Our products don't work, never have, never will. Well, they can one day if they do the job correctly. I gotta get past that whole house paint nonsense first.
Is there in? Okay, sorry about that. I need glasses. I'm sorry. And yeah, is that an N? Yeah, that's an N. Or no, that's the K. Sorry about that. Gray.
I have been doing a lot of research on the ultra short throw projector for movie theaters. Ultra short throw projectors for movie theaters, right here, as he says right here. I've been doing a lot of research on a ultra short throw projector for movie theaters. Let's move this over a little bit here so we can get the whole thing in there. All right, for movie theaters, okay? Make sure we got this one. I stopped off here. Let me see. Let me see right here. Look at all things. I got to rush. I got one thing that's very important to do that. So I got to be a city hall to file these charges. Let me see. The criminal charges I can file. The lawsuit the lawyers want to take care of. Let's see right here. And also too, I will be submitting this document to CCV. They will be getting a copy of this, Jamie, to show that basically you conspiracy charges. That's what we're going for you. So we're pushing for 20 years for you. Let me see. Okay. Here's the email right there. Okay. I've been doing. Sorry about that, people. I'm looking at something different from what you're saying. There we go. There's this research right here. Right there, it clearly says on its messaging. I've been doing a lot of research on the ultra short throw projector for movie theaters. Ultra short throw. Right here. I've done it twice. All right. Let's see right here. Let's see. Now, although I'm 100% understanding that not on your list. Did I deny your order when it went through? No, I shipped your product off. As a matter of fact, I even got a signature confirmed with your signature on it showing you received the product. Which means if you sit there in court and you ever say out of your mouth, well, I never received it, it never came to my house, don't do that. I'm warning you, that's going to get you in a lot of trouble. We got your signature where you signed for the package, showing that you were fully aware and you did receive the item. That's why I sent it on a signature confirm. So you did receive it, so there's no way to get around that one.